Most animals grow, then stop. Humans grow, then decay. But somewhere beneath the ocean floor lives a creature that never accepts that rule. This is the lobster, and it never truly stops growing. The illusion of immortality. Lobsters don't age the way humans do. Their cells keep repairing themselves. Their DNA keeps rebuilding. While most creatures slow down with time, lobsters don't. In theory, a lobster could keep growing for decades, even centuries. Inside the lobster's body is an enzyme called telomerase. In humans, this enzyme shuts down. In lobsters, it stays active. It repairs DNA every time cells divide, slowing biological aging to a crawl. The clock keeps ticking, but it never quite reaches zero. The hidden cost. But immortality has a price. Lobsters grow by molting, breaking out of their own shells. When they're young, this is easy. When they're old, it becomes dangerous. Many lobsters don't die of age. They die during a molt. Humans grow once, then our cells begin to fail. Our telomeres shorten. Our bodies remember time. Lobsters don't remember it the same way. They don't get weaker with age. They get larger. The reality is, lobsters are not immortal. They can be eaten. They can be infected. They can fail during a molt. But aging itself doesn't defeat them the way it defeats us. Nature doesn't promise forever. But sometimes, it comes very close, and the ocean keeps the secret. This is Khalqillah. Thank you for watching, and may Allah bless you.